Okay, the plant we have in front of us here is a thistle plant. There's multiple types of thistles, ranging from Canadian thistle, so musk thistle, nodding thistle, and there's even a larger type called bull thistle. All these plants are related to each other. They're very similar. They have these spiny leaves and these seed pods that are come out, and they flower. These pods produce multiple seeds. They have a large, very prolific at producing seeds, and they're dispersed by the wind. Once it's gone to seed, you don't want to mow it, because all you're going to do is help the plant spread the seeds and disperse them in a larger area. So if you identify this plant with the Canadian thistle, it is a very creeping plant, meaning that it'll start off as one or two plants, and then it'll start spreading through a root system and through its seed production and become a large area. Will be covered by the same type of plant, a monoculture. In this case, you want to mow this plant, spot mow this area continuously before it's gone to seed. And over a certain time period, the plant's roots will no longer have any energy to produce the leaves, and it'll die off. Now, if you want to, during the fall is another time when you can, after it's gone to seed, you can treat this with some type of herbicide. You want to give the plant a good cover over all of the root, down to the root and over the leaves, and get it a good coat. And this is a good time to do it during this time of the year, during the early fall. Its larger cousin, the bull thistle, is a different beast. It has large purple flowers, and this plant can stand up as tall as 5, even 6 feet in height. The best way to get rid of it is to take a shovel and remove the taproot, similar you do to a dandelion. This plant has been a nuisance in rural America since the mid-1800s when it was first introduced. It's a big problem for farmers. The seeds are so easily transported by the wind. So once this plant is established in some type of environment and it starts getting spread by the wind, it could actually be a huge detriment to crop production. And that's one reason that a lot of times farmers, when they see this plant, they really look at it as a nuisance.